Hi guys, Jason1 and welcome back to my another video. Today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make a dragon sounds in Minecraft Pocket Edition. Let's get started. And first you need to get some command block. Here, go. Okay. And slash. Okay. So whatever one. Oh, sorry about it. No. Wait. Okay. Block. There you go. Okay. Go over in the chest, get this thing. Okay. Let's just open this thing. It's like this. Just copy it. Okay. Like that. Okay, sound. Okay. Sound. Space. Mob. Dot. Enter. Dragon. There we go. That. Scroll. There we go. And just space it. Like that. P. Like this. Go. There we go. Okay. Now I just put a 1 and so because you need to put a 1 over there. Okay. Okay, gonna just behind. There we go. Hear that, guys? So cool. Oh yeah. So cool. That's the girl. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe. Gonna see you guys in my next video. Peace out.